In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in HubSpot CRM. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're signed in, head to the CRM area. You'll typically find this through the main navigation, where HubSpot groups your customer relationship tools. In this space, you can manage contacts, companies, and segments, all from one place, so everything you need is easy to reach and stays consistent across your team. Let's focus on contacts. Open the Contacts section to see your list of people. Here you can add a contact individually or import a file if you're bringing in multiple records at once. Adding a single contact is straightforward. You'll fill in key details like name, company, and any other fields your team uses. If you're importing a file, make sure your spreadsheet columns clearly match the fields in HubSpot, such as first name, last name, email, and phone. Clean, well-labeled data will save you time and help avoid duplicates later. On this page, you can also set filters to narrow down your list. Use filters like lifecycle stage, owner, or last activity to quickly find the people you need. If you find yourself using the same combination of filters often, save them as a view. Creating views helps you return to that exact filtered list with one click, which is perfect for daily workflows or team reporting. When you want to edit a specific contact, just click the contact's name to open their record. From here, you can modify or update the information for that individual, such as job title, phone number, or any custom fields your organization relies on. Take a moment to review existing details and keep them accurate and current. Consistent data improves reporting and makes future outreach more effective. Avoid entering sensitive personal information into notes or custom fields, and stick to business-relevant details. Within the contact record, you'll also see options to email, call, or create a task. If you need to reach out, you can send an email directly from the record so the message and its history are captured for your whole team. If a call is appropriate, log or place the call from the same screen to keep a complete timeline of interactions. And if follow-up is required, create a task with a clear due date and description. This keeps you organized and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. That's it. Log in, go to CRM, work within contacts, leverage filters and views, edit records as needed, and use email, calls, and tasks to stay on top of your relationships.